Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to math. Today, we're not actually going to do a concept. Today, we're going to get you ready for the final. Okay? Because remember, we're almost at the end of the semester. The way the finals work is it is covered in 2 days. Okay? If your A day, okay, you're going to cover it on Tuesday and Thursday. Okay? If your B day, you're going to cover it on Wednesday and Friday. Meaning, the first day works like this. Okay? The first day of the final is you're going to cover, or I'm going to give you some assignments to work on from the whole semester. Obviously, they're all from the semester. The first day, I'm going to give you 3 different assignments to work on, meaning you're going to cover 3 different concepts that we covered throughout the year. Okay, right now in a minute, I'm going to write down those concepts. On the second day, okay, we're going to cover the last 2. Meaning, I try to divide it a little into, on the first day, something easy, something kind of in the middle, and then something that took us a little more video time. Okay, meaning something we cover really, really big. On our last day, I try to cover something, again, something simple and something a little more challenging. Okay, the way it works is the same thing you do with videos. When you're done watching the video, you submit your answers. The same for the final. Okay? It is very important, guys, that you do not miss the final because it is a chunk of your grade for the whole semester. Okay? It is very, very important. Again, if you're A day, you're going to take it on Tuesday and Thursday. If you're B day, you're going to take it on Wednesday and Friday. Okay? All right. So let's get started on what assignments we're going to cover. All right, guys, the concepts we are covering for the final, okay, are the first day we are covering, or should I say I'm going to give you a few problems of equation of a circle, which we cover in the first 6 weeks. Okay, we're also going to have on this final solving quadratics. Okay, I will say this, guys, for the quadratics ones, okay, there are a few different ways to solve them. Okay, I'm going to leave that up to you, the way you want to solve them. If you want to factor them, or if you want to do quadratic equation, or complete the square. Okay, that is going to be up to you, the way you want to solve it. The third thing we're going to cover in this first day is radical equations and inequalities. Okay, those are the 3 things we're gonna see or you guys are gonna see the first day for the final. Okay, on the second day, you guys are gonna have graphing reciprocal functions. Okay, reciprocal functions. Okay, and the final one on day 2 is, because remember you're covering 2 things the second day, is something we covered towards the end that we cover a few concepts on, which is synthetic division. Okay, so synthetic division is our last one. For synthetic division, I want you guys to break them down all the way. Okay, meaning you have to give me all the factors. Okay, have to find how many of those work for zeros. okay, and your final answer for X. We'll cover all that on the videos. So if you need to go back on that, today is the day to go back. If you have any questions of any of these guys, don't hesitate to ask, okay? I can't stress that enough. If you missed the first day and you're here the second day, you do the ones for these two. Each part is worth 20 points, okay? Notice that's why there's 5 things. 20 points each, there's 100 points total. If you're only here for the second day, the highest you can get is 40, okay? If you're only here the first day, the highest you can get is a 60. If you're here the second day, but not the first day, and you try to turn in everything to me, that is fine, but the highest grade you can get is a 70, okay? Make sure, guys, and like I said, the final is a big chunk of your grade for the whole semester. So, my advice to you is be here both days, okay? Do the work both days. If you have any questions, let me know, okay? Don't be afraid to ask. All right, so for this video, all you have to do is write 2 to 3 sentences, okay, of what you understood the final is about. Okay, you can do the days, you can do things we're going to cover, the grade, how it works, anything of those, okay, anything that goes with that. All right, so as soon as you're done watching the video, submit your answers, and I'll be waiting for your email.